We got one, boys. Hey, cut it out. You got good, son. Lost my worm, son. Well, I decided to go fishing on the river. Try out these new worms I made just to test them out. And here we are. We got a couple other team members. They're down on the river on a boat. I'm on my kayak. This thing is filthy. It's getting to be that time where they start biting. Something is just relaxing. If you don't like fishing, I don't know who you are. Oh, look at that. They're jumping over there. Oh, another one just looks like they're chasing. There's boils. Like I said, it's getting that time. I wonder. I might have to try a fluke and see. Cause they might be chasing. I'll fish this a little bit longer and then I'll switch. I got one already set up. I'll just put a fluke on, take the worm off. There we go. Right when I said I was gonna change it, we hook it to a decent size, a decent one. Yeah. Another smallmouth. Oh, cut it out. You already caught, homie. Like, there's no point. Oh, and I got him on the bottom lip. Where's my? Just give it up, bro. Just give it up. You're already caught. You can tell I'm a little nervous here because I just got hooked the other day. I didn't like it. I didn't like it much. Okay. That's okay. There, I'm gonna help you out. See that? Gotta get another. Come on. Gotta get a picture. Thank you, guy. There you go. Well, it seems like they like this green pumpkin, green watermelon. It's got my line all tangled up. Here we go. We're good. Oh man, I might have to throw this anchor out, guys. That's 2 I got in this area. I was gonna float down to them, but that's 2. I still might change over to the fluke. Like maybe a white. I tell you, the smallmouths, they fight, especially on the river. You think you got you a monster, it'd be like a 1-pounder. They're so strong.